Konnichiwa, Ai desu. Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese man who lives in Southern California with my 2 cats and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. はい、今日はこれです。今日は Today's theme is Daikon. I got this beautiful Daikon at farmer's market. And for Daikon, parts, it depends on the parts of the Daikon, the usage is different. So top part is sweet. So this part you use for salad. Raw, you can eat raw. And center area is for like steaming. Steaming. And the bottom part is for Daikon oroshi. It's a little bit spicy or a little bit bitter and good bitterness. So you use it for Daikon oroshi. Daikon oroshi is grated daikon and used for like a tempura or sashimi side. So today, using Daikon, I'm gonna introduce three dishes. First, fried Daikon, like a fried potato. When you deep fry Daikon, tastes very good. It's very interesting texture. And second one is Daikon Mochi. Daikon Mochi, steamed daikon with mochi or rice flour. And third one is a salad. Top parts you cut and slice, and then I made a special dressing with natto dressing, spicy natto dressing with daikon. It tastes so good. And actually fourth dish is using this daikon leaf full of vitamin. I'm gonna make a Nameshi. Nameshi is rice with daikon leaf. Very good texture. Right, so let's see how to use daikon and make 4 dishes. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, please share with your friends. Our first dish is fried daikon. This recipe is so simple. You need some daikon, garlic salt or garlic powder, and potato or cornstarch. Peel the skin of daikon. You can use peeler too. And cut like a fried potato. And the size is up to you. If you like a big one, you can cut big. If you like a crispy, skinny one, you can cut as you like. And sprinkle some potato or cornstarch and coat evenly. And heat the cooking oil and over medium-high heat, deep fry until it gets crispy and golden brown. I missed the part of the video, but please try to deep fry until it gets nicely brown and crispy. So this is the finished one, and sprinkle some garlic powder. Sprinkle some salt and toss it. And fried daikon is ready to serve. This is an amazing simple dish. You will be shocked with the texture and a little bit sweetness of daikon. It's fun dish. My daughters love this dish. To make Daikon Mochi, we need about 1/3 of daikon. I already peeled. And 1 cup of mochiko or rice flour. And 1 tablespoon of sakuraebi, the dried shrimp, small shrimp. And ham, 3 pieces of ham julienne and salt, pepper, and this is a challenging part. First, you need to grate daikon. I bought this grating tool at Japanese dollar shop, Daiso. And keep the water from daikon too. And add 1 cup of rice flour. Mix. Add ham, sakura ebi, dried shrimp. Add salt and pepper and mix well. And we're gonna use a rice cooker to make Daikon Mochi. So spread some oil and spread with a kitchen paper evenly and add the daikon mixture. And we're gonna cook on regular white rice mode twice. Cook twice. So make sure once it's done, cook one more time with a rice mode, white rice mode. And daikon mochi or daikon cake is ready to serve. It's very sticky, so please be careful to take out from the rice cooker. And cut into your favorite size. Spread some green onion. Soy sauce. And daikon mochi is ready to serve. It's more like a Chinese dim sum food. Tastes good. Our third dish is daikon salad with natto dressing. We're gonna use the top part of daikon and 3 inch of daikon and 1 package of natto, 1 teaspoon of tobanjang chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar or sushi vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of grated onion, and some chopped green onion. First, peel the daikon. And slice daikon, cut daikon into julienne. Now we're gonna prepare the dressing. So in a medium bowl, place the 1 package of natto. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated onion, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar or sushi vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of tobanjang, garlic chili sauce, tobanjang, and add some chopped green onion and mix briefly. You don't have to mix too much. And add some daikon, julienne daikon, and toss with the dressing, natto dressing. And adjust the flavor with salt and pepper, and natto salad is ready to serve. Daikon salad with natto dressing is like a izakaya menu, and it goes well with beer, wine, sake, shochu, anything. Our last dish is nameshi. Na means leaves. Meshi is rice. So nameshi is a rice with daikon leaves, and ingredients very simple, and there's no exact recipe. You need a top part of daikon leaves, sesame oil, sesame seed, soy sauce. And first you wash the daikon leaves and chop into small sizes. Chop randomly. And over the frying pan, heated frying pan, add some sesame oil, and over the medium high heat, saute daikon leaves, chopped daikon leaves. Saute until nice and soft, but still a little bit crunchy. And season with salt and pepper. So the amount of daikon leaves get smaller as you saute. And over the cooked rice, maybe 2 serving cooked rice, add sauteed daikon leaves, add some sesame seed and some soy sauce, drizzle some soy sauce, mix, and now nameshi is ready to serve. So when you purchase the daikon, please don't waste leaves. Leaves are yummy too and nutritious.